Yeah, good evening. So in Google Analytics today we'll be going to see how much traffic is coming from organic, like how many traffic is coming through search engines, like people search through search engines like Google, Yahoo, and how many of such traffics are being directed to your site. Okay, so just log into your Google Analytics, then you'll be seeing the basic dashboard here. From here on the left hand side you can see acquisition. Click on acquisition. Okay, select all traffic. Okay, and from here you can select source medium. Okay, yeah, here now you can see a list of sources that are driving traffic to the website, and here in the second position you can see Google/organic, which means there's an organic traffic coming to the website through Google search engine. Okay, and in the fifth position you can see Bing organic, which means that's the traffic coming through Bing search engine, which is only one visit for a particular timeline. The timeline is between April 18 to April 24. And there is also traffic from Yahoo. So this is a new site, so traffic is just coming up. Okay, this way you can get the number of the organic traffic coming to your website. You can also, if you go to the overview section, you can just get a basic dashboard for the total traffic coming to your website, and here you can see that the organic traffic is 23. It's 23 visitors have come to your website during this time frame. Okay, so you can do a lot of things with this data, which will be helping your website to perform better. Okay, so I think you have understood it. So I'll be coming with the next video with which we can get more data regarding our website traffic. So hope you enjoyed it. Kindly, if you have enjoyed the video, kindly like it and also subscribe this channel. Okay, till then, stay tuned. Bye.